Hello, friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks. And today I'm going to talk about Alchem Labs, a very interesting pharmaceutical company. So let's understand whether it is a buy today, and let's understand at what levels you should buy. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation, and people taking any position into any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research. And I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Alchem Labs, a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel. It will help you also ask me questions in greater detail. And once you get the $10 membership, you'll get access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a lot of podcasts that I put up on a daily basis. For detailed market or company analysis and a number of stocks that you're holding, you can directly email me and we can work things out. Now about the company, Alchem Labs was established in 1973 and they manufacture and sell pharmaceutical generics, formulations and nutraceuticals products here in India. A fast-growing pharma firm into nutraceuticals. RX products include Clevem 625 that is used a lot by people all across the globe and here in India a lot. Manufactures formulations for India and the US. Products have therapy area of vitamins and nutrients, anti-infective, gastrointestinal drugs, etc. So gamut of products under its belt and a number of products in different health segments that they produce. So an interesting company that has footprints in a number of, you can say, health industries. If you look at the financials, then sales were up only 8%, but the profit jumped over three times. So 333% profit jump on the back of higher operational efficiency, lower cost of products, and you can say higher margins was attuned to it. It is a virtually debt-free company and decent promoter and institutional holding is there. The ROE of the company is at 20%, which is quite decent, and operating profit margin is also 20%. The market cap of the company is around 30 to 35,000 crores at the moment. So, a mid cap company in the pharmaceutical space, Alchem is. If you look at the performance of the stock, then stock has been a resilient performer over years. So over the last 5 years, it has also grown, and the performance has also been pretty good over the last, you can say, 2 years or last 1 year or so. The stock has scaled a lot, so have scaled new all-time highs post March consolidation, as has many you can say pharmaceutical companies have been continuously surging. Numbers have been robust even in difficult business environment. Between 2018 to 2020, numbers remained pretty good, and that is what I am talking about, that the company performed very well on the operational front, on the business front, even though other businesses in the pharmaceutical space did not do that well. Prospects of business to be robust in the next at least 7 8 quarters is there, and that's why the surge in the stock. I believe that the next 1.5 2 years could be pretty good for the pharma and the IT space. So the reasons for the up move: surged in demand of nutrient supplements and medicines. That is the major reason. Although there is that the fact that the pharma theme is back in radar, but basically demand for nutrients and supplements has surged over the last 4 5 years, and that is why this stock has not underperformed compared to other pharmaceutical companies, but instead of that, it has outperformed because the demand for supplements and nutrients have always risen over time, and people have become more health cautious and taking care of their health better, and after this pandemic this will increase even further. So it had substantial sales in June and profitability. US FDA has become more you can say approval friendly, and now they are you can say companies are not getting are not in a situation where they are getting a lot of disapproval with respect to drugs, etc., for US and Europe, and that has also increased. World is in need of solutions, so more or less on a blanket basis, companies are getting approval. There is no way that Alchem is involved in any kind of, you can say, COVID trials at the moment, but they are producing other sorts of drugs that are getting approved easily now for the US markets. And I believe that pharma and IT may be the theme for the next 18 months. I still believe that the next 18 months could be big for these companies, and that's why the surge is taking place at this point of time. Maybe 6 months or 1 year down the line, there would be consolidation and decline because those 18 months would come closer. If you look at the technicals of the stock, then the 200 DMA is at around 2560, which is very nearby, which seems a good support at the moment. Plus, if you need to be need to know what the stock is going to do, then it would consolidate before further move, and the consolidation has begun over the last 10 12 sessions. After 2560, the next support is around 2300. It is very strong on chart. There is a chance that it can correct 10% towards 2300, which would be a better level to probably get into the stock. May consolidate for a few weeks still, and any downtrend move towards 2300 2200 may be a good buying opportunity. So what needs to be done? In my opinion, you can buy for long term on declines, and probably 2 year time frame is better. Probably look for a 30 40% upside in the next couple of years, maybe a 3000 on the stock, and then take profits off, and have less than 10% exposure into such stocks. So this was my video on Alchem Labs. Please like and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.